Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this particular lecture, I'm going to explain you that how you can install the OpenClaw agent on your Ubuntu Linux. Simply open your terminal and here I'll write curl fsl https OpenClaw, keep it L, okay, and then .ai slash install .sh, fine, and put a bash here. Press enter. And now here you can see that the installation process has now started. So it will take some time. Let's just wait for it. Okay, so now here in the next step, you can see that we are getting this kind of interface, right? So here it is saying something that say yes, and I'll set all of that up now. Simply just write here yes, press enter, and now it is conjuring. Okay, so you need to wait for that also. Okay, so I think it is done now, almost done, right? Yes. So here you can see that it is saying that no usable model provider is configured. So the agent cannot answer yet. That means there is no model is provided. So if you want to add anything, just write yes. And you can see model and auth providers list are present. You can choose Google. It is free, right? It can be better. Otherwise, if you have any paid, you can choose that also. So I'm choosing the Google Gemini API key. And now here you need to mention your Gemini API key. Simply just paste it here, right? And after pasting, you will get the access to directly have the conversation with the OpenClaw, right? So I hope if you are having any particular model, you can use it here. This is the complete setup to actually install the OpenClaw on your Ubuntu Linux. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.